Oh, more to cookies. Cookies. Can you give him just one butter cracker for fun? $1 plus. Spread. Okay, getting this. Oh, they have this as well. Okay. I'm gonna carry this by myself. Okay, this is fine. I'm gonna get this as well. Tin Tam. Oh, good, I have him a Tin Tam. How much is it? $4 plus. Crackles. Yeah, that is cheap. You can get the crackles. Oh yeah, I need coffee. I need coffee too. Wow, how am I gonna carry this? 7, 9. Wow, coffee expensive eh. 28, 9. For $9 for such a small. Wow, the coffee here a bit more expensive. How about the how about the really packed one? Nescafe. I want the gold one. That's maybe not. Where can I get that? Nescafe gold 2 in 1. 2 in 1 means what? Smooth. Sticks. 2 in 1. Oh, it has sugar. Oh, maybe I should go for the how many sticks? 15 sticks.